Mr. Wa join you na wa share live video na yɛn ama me. Ya fatu ya ho so se ye be no time bia se yetumi kɔ under soro no form nyina na ye pɛ the right information the break Ghana for. Mentantena se anopa enye live video. Metena se anopa se ano so bia kon na duro no. E mo aye den ye se the information ni nyina ba abontene. Obi be busa se na de ntina preko pɛ issue a twam masa akɔtwe issue na ba no share live video no ma me ene ye be wie ne ate ye ho ase me na mete ha no me duty ne se me make sure say time bia ye the information ba be to abonten na ya tumi a satisfy ye ho ye okay amra akwa smoke ne shatawale omo issue ne ba no me betena hakika bia chire mu a because na me pese me hu case na ase shata hon semba me ye live video hon ti mira kwa smoke issue ne ba me keka bia ma at a point kra me chiro kwa smoke na frame na me yese no me san follow case ne feda me yese me follow case ne feda hu ba bia no kra den ehye enti ho na guy bi me approach guy na mra assembly see ya no because adwuma na ye no sometimes I say wura under now pay information de ba ti mi wura mu ye say no say me hwe ba bia informations ni nyina hye na me satisfy me ho enya say issue bana nipa betena mo share live video no ma me enya say issue bana nipa betena na shatter ho asemba na ye kan na enti ebia shatter ko wrong ana say ye ntwe meka Tina besa me very satisfied. Ebi kura frame say code that ain't now very interested in case we ni yinam si no. Kwa ku smoke no ebi ono so nim baby e wo gina na ade a ne nan sisu a. Ti issue no where me play a major role wom be ye ho videos bebre. Ti guy bi e de nyom bi ba bontene. O de nyom ne ba ye no. Ono so ko level allegations o baby. E na me ye say me rich guy na but man nya no. And I'm saying no problem. Say be take me 10 years cry mama nya that guy na me nya because in 7 na guy na e no me hu say no probably no so e wo e say wo issue we mu. Ena me wura mu a ti ne ena manya guy no me san nya na ma interview no na me say no. Baby anokure da na e si etumi hu. This life and is so young boy bit must say oh yeah nyom no obi afa nyom ne sa na afa asem na fala sa oh no it is sem na kwa smoke be kan no and of course the brand Shatawale no and also nya small brand sa the issue ne buy me man no beto me catch enko say no me code na me why I know what I'm doing kwa smoke frame me enemy din come me say no problem ti ene manya guy bi a ono so wo another side of the story am pese ye tie nipa no enumasem me ne be interview me be friend live video me busa no questions bi at the end of interview we no ye be tie ho ase up to now Shatama open be responded to Kwaku Smoke but me say adia emfri nyame na nye den enyina anything no from God you no go fit stand the test of time. Sometimes it will take even 30 years, but no kure ni be ba bontene. Nipa na me be interview no me pese me bone nyom no sketwa bi ma yeti ade bi. Ansa na my friend no just sketwa bi o mo mama so na ho mo share video no ma me mo share na video no enwura ba bi ese enwura. Nipa na me interview no mo tie na nyom no mo tie side ketwa bi. Muntie ketua bi o. On them. Yo. Sramwa me se muntie side ketua bi wona nyom ni mu. We dey me bie ki bi ansa na ma frɛ nipa no. Tie bi ma me. Yentie Kwaku Smoke on them ne kakra. Eye cognitive niema na ene ye be wura mu no. Kwaku Smoke de ani ne tie. Tie Kwaku Smoke de ne kakra ma mo share video no ma mo. Tie Smoke de no. On them. Tie guy ne de ne kakra ma me ade bibie mu me ba. Tie guy ne de ne kakra ma me. Tie. Tie niema bi kakra wa ha o kwa ko smoke de ne kakra sa ma me ne ahwe ade bi. Me nka bebia bie ma me frɛ boy no na afa ni nkomo issue ne bae no me se nya easy o ya brand na obi ba so ebia wa fa na ade a it means nipa no ono so agada ne niema ye ti kwa ku smoke no kire ya cross board be so o ma we shut and respond but me say anything no from God ne the truth will always come out. Me dey me pass a judgment o ma bought two angles be a chiro me friend nipa ne say time no day I record a guy. Say Facebook for you live video na ere. Afri but me friend nipa ni video call because me person nipa hu nipa anim. Me person nipa hu nipa anim. I dey call am. And ye be dim come akwa chire pa. Me nya video anopa say yo if I dey do video morning tia. If for no say yeah, openi me ba o ma me switch me camera na ye hu wani. Me ba cho yo. We dey me sra mo a mo manage ni say ma me why. Okay. Openi ya saying? Oh, body I don't mind, sir. Bibi aboko. Good. Now, we did the same. I'm patro. Me di yankasa ede kwajusi amwako. The day I don't wanna dini me anam some young utility. Your friend me jobless KSC, and I say KSC ni kwajusi amwako. And I first na a group be a friend jobless, and I'm a day I can't be in Hawaii jobless KSC. What was the idea? Yeah, obi bet imagine baby so code cry be akwa kofa obi on wo share baby a 1 year so make only maybe my raps kakra ne anyi se oya nyomo tuni because nipa de we ma kwa gura mu kura akọ pebe nega ti my bibi ne hu so oya nyomo tuni. Okay. Man say jobless KSA is the name. Okay. Nyanse ni feme waso mesem na no otoro yahwe yi na mpaw isa ho etoro wafom echampon atensanso no apepa woto ahohintia ye jamo wraso jo watwitwa wode kwaso di bone sikagare wodi bone wo seresere oyonko da no do ko troma soso ehahan ni apotoro ekyerese bribe ni corruption no adoso nsefo boto abrakadabra akroma de ko jobless KSA ti we na ma wa confirm say nipa na ye na be din common we rapper mpa say we are kazefo na code na ko wura be ni obi akọ no one say we natural so e rapper mpa openi agenti na ma frɛ no enyom on them ne ho asɛm me pese me call no very straight sa enyom on them no enyom no ho nsɛm ohwe ya be 3 months ago no be ye hey o system ni mu ma ye ka ho nsɛm bebre kwa ku smoke be kyerɛ shatawale afa ne nyom on them ne yi na wo so wa surface sɛ nyom no na ye wo dia me ba man say menyumo a long time menyumo a man say matro ba wa wani tu I am say yana etoda we upcoming artist and I say bia we artist yana wo hia nkofu bi mwa se ne be yanka man say wo de be dey wo de be pushi anyum no nti anyum on them dey me ankasa na me troy chorus no we gon put fire on them put pressure on them maniko wo mu sa kakadro man hihye won say meko. We gonna put fire on them, put pressure on them, maniko wumu sa kakadro. Manishishi won say meku. Perfect. Ayenyu mo ametroye. Na metroye ache. Na say ya wo kire, obi bet ma kire say bia wo mom na wo peke enyom ne free kwa smoke ho. De na kire say enyom ne ya wo dia. Okay man say ade ya kire say enyom ne ya media say man say sisi ya na ye wo internet world na say sisi ya internet environment. Any sisi ya na say first nanka wo ya enyom a also what they call okope producer and also okope promoter there obeboa ma yi but na sisi an na internet distribution e wo ho enti man say no ready no man say nipa kra na kan pesa me ne yanyum no kra na enti me anya no ene na ye nam say sikasem ne wa woni fia wo na we ya woni ni management team bia enti guy be a friend in Nitro and I'm future no woni so and I do bo beat no your friend of the future and I say Ratty beat and also e wo tadi. Enti me ya nyum no ana me de nyum no two distribution site
Abaku ye DistroKid. And abaku so a sound drop. Inti the nyumo no koto honum. Man say enam say sisi ano nyumo ahwe you be inti me dika secure nyumo no me every song I make bia no. Ansa kwa na me de nyumo no beto Reverb Nation and ansa me de beto SoundCloud and na me de beto Audiomack. I just say me who say nyumo no eda distribution site pa e secure. Ebema wo who say wo check nyumo na and ansa wo shanzam nyumo na obetimi ehu. Inti me dika de nyumo no koto that with DistroKid no me de nyumo no koto on the 16th of September. That was last year 2019. Anna man say sound drop for us to release on the 20th of September. And also 2019.
Beba me nchawa no. Do chesa wo die no eba 20th September 2019 no.
The first release no craba 16th September.
Yeah, me verify wa ha. Yeah, koye ni me verify. Na kwa ku smoke so die no wo hwa eba be tambe.
Oh, kwa ku smoke dem say October, November,
yeah, to the latter part of the year, December, November, December more.
Yeah, per se, and man say, with me, I check it. Now, the country I make us say, when we have a line of the chorus, the chorus line, the same thing, we can put fire on them.
Maybe.
And also, media no a quote fast. On a low tempo. So put the fire on them. After we go, I say with some slow vibing.
Maybe opening jinaso kakra ma me wa enkate line jinaso me pesa me bo side ni me no baby a wo ka se low tempo no ne compare ne ma binti jinaso ma me nipa na me interview no ono no on them ni de muntie bi ma me muntie ne de ne ma me yeah, me interview no ne tie on them. Yeah, me to aso me ba o me internet no mess up kakra chale. Akese for the mo be calm systems no. Me ba my tie guy no enyo ne on them na ansa na ma sa to aso bi internet tie.
Put the pressure on them. Man it go book start to drop mama when she wants them. Put the fire
on them.
Put the pressure on them.
On them. Me ba o. Ti on them na ono ne ka no kwa ku smoke no so die ni. Ti smoke die no. On them.
More success.
Good. My man friend guy na bi me ye ne kate ndi my friend no. We die enchirechiremu na ni pare ba no. Ye dim komo na kwa chire. Because time na kwa ku smoke den de ne ba na mpese me wura mu hu how wa accuse shatter no and why I did could you enter shatter yes idea. Yeah, sorry, I mean internet no mess up. My year you on. My boy nyum ne mienu nyina nti ha na wo chire mu se o de no wo ne kwa ku smoke de no wo low tempo ne ye tie.
Yeah, low tempo. Yeah, man say low tempo vibe.
Ti chire mu wo no mai. O so o de no na ye den.
Me de no man say the same word no on them no. Put the fire on them no. No.
Meba. Jina so mo. Meba. Tobo mama frɛ obi mu wise tobo ase. No nti ya na nya izo ya interview a friend nipa free nkyɛn sɛ it's not easy. Only nipa to your interview a more different. But guy we no mesa move ya kɔ baabi or interview no. Corona na twetwe mu a me kɔ baabi or akɔ interview no. Hello,
bossman.
Say there more ye kama. Anti chiremu ma na so de na low tempo ba ko ye low tempo e ho ma ye.
Ono ne de no pan say akwati say low tempo vibing. I said that say akwati say trap you know. Ana me de no hardcore. Hardcore rap. O say ono de say ma say any challenge to that. But me de say many break because the words in the rap no idea man say any prism. Man say uti enum na some na me make ka wo mu no man say any prism because me address a lot of issues. We address issue on man say who killed for the country up to now you who for the country.
Okay, openi meba. Ti my when you say your home. Ni see no time we nyina see no akwa ku smoke ba bonti a we say shatter wale apeke na nyom ne say what TV
Mete and now me friend. Man say, Madam for be friend me free Ghana say your friend is DJ Wise. Say, oh Charlie, and you now we no man say obi so corrupt line obi afa. Nti e ma me ye fast echo pay nyum no ehwe no say oh no and you know the man say me chorus line in panai afa je ba say wato ni in a low nti e ho no me friend manager we call me go straight to Instagram.
Me tobo asema me open e tobo asema me ba. Me kire mo amutie no ho. Muntie niema ne yo. Nkomo no muntie ne ye na mun share information no. Because ya na nya easy say image no ho say betumi atanish image sa nya that easy. Titi o. Because say obi betumi aka say wa code akofo obi aba so megu kwaku smoke hu fi. Enu tira me busa ne say assemnity ya kwaku smoke ne accuse Shatawale no. Die be ade na ono so ye den. Ye. MS watwan ya ade na twam awie na ade beje odi ni yi titi explanation na wo man open yetie.
Okay, enti man say e ba sa no me friend ne manager ne manager aye Nana
Boro ya ono no e manage ko okay.
Ko wi ayi mu a no.
Okay, yetie.
Enti me friend no am ti oh masa man say menum say ana mati say man say me line no wafa the chorus line on so afa e dey chorus enti me sande nyum no say dey e ma Nana Boro say odi ontie me pese bia me kwa bonten akoye bibi na for beka say oh e bia ai me pe yinti na me be ye nam say oh no enti me sande nyum no ye dey me nyum no e ma no say me pese me ba bonten beka sa emre kra me untie the other side of me story enti me sande nyum no ye dey e ma Nana Boro enti me sande ma no ma o download tie ana me sa friend back ana me say master so hu asam na me kano mas we me line ana odi me chorus the same chorus line in wafa it me ka sa no so dem pese me ye bia do me ko yana sa obi afa ma de ma say me no ka ade no se ne be ya ma say entiase be ba anase bia e bi ho kra ma say ye be ka ti ase o ka say ma say enye me nko na enye kokusmu nko na yusu anyum no na mfa say Shatawale kra so ayusu on them no so there and I'm say
the same kwaku smoke ni mu no ono accuse Shatta de ye de ni ayi no na ade na wo de obeka wo de ono wo hu ade no
Nana Boro na enum to obetimi a confirm me ne kasa me friend wo WhatsApp ne kasa anyum no on them no man say nyam nko na on them no ye nya asa na no me I say on them no dey but me same lie we going put fire on them the same thing and I dey what pick me lie I ma say dem person say oh anyum no nye say bia anyum no me wadansi fo bebre e wo nyum no ho anyum no me di kai ye na I check that was the earliest me di kai anyum no early January but na person come na yapo no na eye
me ba to bo ase wasan de yapo no din aba ma ho so cheche mu ni entie ni ye
ma say anyum no ayi kra ya Sugar Kwame asem ya me kan se me di ntura obi amu se Sugar Kwame me sende anyum no e koma Sugar Kwame say oh chale menya nyum say that was January ni mu early the year I'm sending man say oh the person ya no ye dey to chorus no ye dey e ma me and I say oboa me wonyum no ho enti me sending nyum koma Sugar Kwame on the kind of so pono create or say obey some changes bi wo chorus ni na chorus ni ye tight beat no so ye hard but omo me kan na boa omo ka say benjamin no na me se me ho ye dey enso me ntimi ye dey entua sa abo no ana Sugar Kwame ka say oh anytime bi me ye ready me mo scan be ye ready no me de ba omo so be dey e be ye anyum na ye dey ama me enti na say akoye wa woni tua me wa ha no ma say wa yapo no so agidin ne sikasam ne ayiti me friend engineer no bobi tie fe no Rat Beat the Future Studio no the Future Studios TF Studios omo takade ana me friend say oh chale akapono na kampesa me ne yanyum no nanso eboa oka me man say meet me e wom say me wo repudie but ministers kana opese wo gino no so no problem and yes ade obabo ama na fofo boys ni bia e dey etie enti guy bi e wo really speed camp the friend Nitro the friend guy be or really to a good your friend Nitro enti Future say obonyum no what I say na fofo hyehyɛ no boy so oh chale madam for yi anyum no opesen ka obi yapo no to be but ni sikasem enso na Nitro say oh anyum no ye kama obe vibe aye dey atoso ama me enti media no problem Future and sending him no Future sending him no and come guy no recording the verse the way or the guy guy no yes I know the friend Nitro no enti on no recording the part no e release beat studio release beat one and Nitro no I say release beat can be say release beat one or recording ti or record by na man say me so me bia me bia the first thing I do say and I'm say enuma wie enti no me di kai secure nyum no straight on the distribution sectors because we do distribution companies Sound Drop and DistroKid. These two distributions in abuse. See, I know buy no about August. It's not my master crime. I said me go Ghana and I come here day because shoot video. And I'm saying no. I was saying minya abutre kakra. Nah, man say because I didn't Ghana no be go shoot video. Ni nyina discuss. Man, that's how I was saying releasing you no. Enti, I know no so no man say once I submitting you no within August wa. Yeah na ending of August on yeah na man say distribution companies in go ha it take 2 weeks. And sana o send you email of the link say o de nyum na yedai atu enti me submit nyum no first email a free man say DistroKid buy no on the 16th of September say o mo releasing nyum no e to all the social media platforms and I say streaming platforms so I don't know and I'm saying me nyum no title no The Warrior on DistroKid side it didn't hear Jobless KS no me nyum no The Warrior featuring Nitro and a Sound Drop honest no me no e din KS na me use no me the KS featuring Nitro pressure on them Sound Drop for also release and you know pressure on them no release on the 20th of September
and just say no
man say enti abasa na me no kremi bufui ama man say na na boro cast achem no e ha me pa me screenshot me nyum no time me di release ya me screenshot ni na de send them say oh enyu me release ayanyuma eyese ana won say sisia no enam internet ni si no say obi use line ye was some site bia but Olewus nya to secure no it will be far Olewus use the line of Olewus say similar to adia was secure na omuma notification Umbema alert say unyum we no ase enu nyum we bobra na say nyum we say fine na enyum no man say ana mo hwe data odi release ye hwe YouTube so obi wia unyum kra do be releasing nyum no first on YouTube no na man say what the acclaim say nyum no ye dey e ne dia eti no we nam say no me frɛ o na na boro an kam de bia mpesem di ko bia ntia ma me so me bufui ana me so ye video so no o ma wia menyum no obi o pese o confirm bia obi an ko confirm enti me hu say Magraheb aya hu video say artist bi o ha o mu wie bia perform nyum ne yi o ye video e fa Kwaku Smoke ni na me sure say o wu ni a enyum na Kwaku Smoke ni yi e ya menyum ma say ti me tag no with enyum no pressure on them say kadia ma say bia ko be chirem ana say obe kan so to no avail enti me friend discount na prepare o Germany I also be my dancing it ono na me friend no say o unia the way asem na ye no e was so o men egofo say e ye no krese enyum no ye odi ade a show evidence na say oh ye video that time kwana me odwumem ye video say no menyum no na man say Kwaku Smoke ayedai afa obi a person verify they don't verify the chorus we going to put pressure on them put fire on them maniko musa kakadro di abasa no na me ye video no e ka say na me bofu na me ka say na uni man say we have me my friend manager almost so and kind of accessible ayi bia nkyerem ene sadia me kika ma adwen ma say me bofu so e kronfo ma sa beti me we am me pa ma friend mo timi kind of reasonable eti nyame no kuni e bofo hyase di matem ana man say wo dia man say wo say one Shatawale yi na person do hu chim say no
we ni say no nka nyame we see bia but nka start na nipa hu nsi nka SM boys no so epia o ma we ase so hu say yo won say we ase o no momo no e fight shatter no not knowing also wo under also fight no best answer wo na wo voice in ru baby an nti
ma say because ma say omo asemo mo kan say wo dey I say we follow us on Instagram and also so there man say follow us kiti na be ka say omo we be awia wonyom and at the oh ja hype na pa be oh enti na ase ade a ye wo dia wa utimi hu say ade na ye wo dia enye say bia man say wo adansefo man say Sugar Kwame me dance ni anyum no me send mo one na campus me future ya apo no Sugar Kwame me dance ni Nitro guy me friend Nitro no so watadi or ye dance or artist your friend Nitro release beat any Nitro so be dia dance and so na engineer no bo beat ni your friend Ratty beat studio near TF the future TF studios the future on the boat beat no enti man say south way plus man say on the social media streaming channels no the post to ni nyina so wa won e before say abrabọ na kwese me wonwum bia be friend kutre bi man say we talking about say kutre bi no enye bi keke kutre bi ankasa ye hu ni sa no ehu wo futu sem kutre bi because nipa nature ekire ye no ma bebre kutre bi because e fita e say tutu in the same sentence na kire say ye wusika and ye wo hia ni ye wo han and ye wo su man say ubedi hia e kire no ma bebre but kutre bi keke no we ukase wo study kutre bi na ade a e be kire wo no odwen ho say no it will say we are say we give respect to nature but some woman nyina no ye fan say ye fan grant say wo anyahwe
no problem
kwaku smoke mo akoye fita no na me makoye tuntum asa na be free tuntum aduru fita ni mu no abere ye nti no asa mo kotwe followers kura wo Instagram wo YouTube subscribers kura no be bia asa wo pese wo use no na ade kintin eso mre kura enti sa man say nana borodi adanse say me Sunday nyum ne man so ontie me sa Sunday nyum ne ma Sam Flex Sam Flex ono so say omu nyina me Sunday nyum ne ma Arnold say me nyum ni achimasi wawia me Sunday nyum ne ma Andy Dusty Andy Dusty o hit me Sunday ma no asa ono so ni bufu say me bia twam obi koye me interview e wo Focus FM e wo Kumasi asa me ka asem bi say oye fake on work massifo eno ho ne bufu menti o say menyum kra omo
wo Ghana
na ba say honestly me dancing am Sunday nyum ne yedai e koma no
okay
so bisa Sunday nyum ne koma Ola Michael ono so ya and the Dusty show no tatnas ono to me Sunday nyum na say rapani enu we ya media but grofo say afa asemo bia be kan say
Ghana no Ghana no what you Ghana ya na ye ka Ghana me betena kire se Ghana no uni omu se uni grounds obi an fiu na ya ni padwen se dede na me ye wo hu the way a wo kire me se o the obeye bia wo ye to prove his case o but because na no nuru jomu nti obi an fi to peni uni bibi me no de me was system ni mo ya behind the scenes no ya pia ni ma bebre ama na out me yare we free ho a Italy ho na wo no me ba ho me ba ba bia wo no abeya o interview an kese for nice one area to system ni mu we ne dey I say informal kind of interview we free obi video yi say na ya it me ba ho ye be ye a and not just on them nyom na nipa be pay attention me match steady on no bia so our talent
anyumna kasa de ma say anyumni de endorse na on them no the titru omom tie ya no mo person be bua no the reason behind it say there are some keys bi wo ha me shase busai obi obeti on them no we will keys bi wo nyum ni mo man say me no me busai say adentina bibi say ekoso na yentimi nya ho hwe man say obia yedin obia person be ka ho hwe say issues utie nyum na man say me kasa fa no ma bebre ho ya pan ayenye man say sikadia ya kosto man no ma bebre enti obi hu say man say you are coming with that positive vibe no now obi wo ho obi so de man say all is doing say to lead the masses into partying and man say no yam try say be push wo there because you push wo there na wo there be ma the society no also say mo ni ba wo mo so wo no ma bi no enti e ba sa man say obi a ye dey
obi say musa say Italy fan ben na side ben na wo
I'm back to Italy no Vicenza Italy man say dia do na because first near from Opio me shenyoma eto ase no dia na ye dem use no eye Opio Italy there o ka se Opio a obi anim se Opio no an KSC on masa ni jobless KSC Opio nipa o tete me e wonu tum ye friend dealer wa do bo obesima wo ye me number 1 usame ni awo pe be ye wa pe dia ma wo di awa na tete me shenyoma se ache almost the see no almost 17 years ni so nyanya hit bia so anyuma me sawo man say on YouTube and also on Spotify adoso so ba me nyum no man say mo nyum bi friend June 4th June 4th me wo ehu okrom akadi ye me who ban a woman cabin who say who chrome, and who chrome, ye liberty, sissy form, and who chrome, and Dr. Ray and the boy. Anna, me what I know so, me fellow, my party no be gay, but for green card, Wahala Charlie, eat and gay. My party no be gay, and I make as I say, Madame for no, when you gay, but then I'm in Kratasem, and the cost will eat you have. Ubu Hana Kratasemuti, it is on one declare who say, I say, or ye homosexual, and I say, or you gay, and I say, be our transgender because of documents. I know some yes, I know far home. Addresses some issues be also a you. The one my friends preach to them. We want them to say Krodom, Abepom. We want them to say La Paz. And also, me say, me no minimum no me try one, me friend, Abeka La Paz. Shiame one La Paz. And me talking about myself, about prostitution. No, my episode La Paz. Who La Paz what the verify and say no, I can't story now can you true and yet be American.
Okay, opening good. And no problem. Men no said I'm a kind, or my steady on your money beyond our talent. And yes, you ever heard the very big piano. And I know crana what to me I can or be one count me out to my kind of cranny say. Oh, the only baby, my last lines be rap lines be near and fancy will have for the meantime.
Okay, my sister, I know I need to coronavirus in Intino. Remember some lines be epidemic.
Yeah.
Man say, I don't know so my releasing my friend Fear and Panic.
Oh, nice. You bet me push you no problem. My end.
Inti say na line no echo. Because man say no be is here na wo yam tuni a also try say share your ideas. Ewo ho ama microphone who say bia be say en echo. Inti Fear and Panic no lines ni go say we're living in a program world. Truth is hidden. So we're living in lies, fear and panic. Chepawura and Chita. Italy Nika said Chepawura and Chita. I just said it will come. That and you know me want you be a friend Chepawura in Chita. Pawura and Chita. And when I'm Saba Ghana, I'm Satan in the end, who will chrome. Akadia me who bana who akabe who say who will chrome. So it's what me a source and me mama the fear and panic rap no. We're living in a program world. Truth is hidden. So we're living in lies, fear and panic. Chepawura in Chita. We slave to the system. We've been paranoid. We fear coffin than a gunpoint. We all insane. Help of the media propaganda reigns. Who cares when blacks dies? No scandal, dark ages. The preacher man saying is the end of the world. Jesus Christ is coming. Is the product, and the church members are the customers. New world order, obey or die. We all just like sheep to the slaughterhouse. We're living in hell on earth. When will heaven come? Because life is YOLO. You only live once. Our food being poisoned with homogenes, bioweapons, depopulation. Life is like a lemon. Not to know is bad, but not to wish to know is worse. Agenda 21, 5G. We have been led by sick people. We of the reality have been fed with fantasy. Jobless KSA is the name.
Openi onimi we no opa me no we say ya obetme the camera si wanim I record and said ya we ya no video so anadi amame e very powerful pa me post ya me gidi say because me were a lot of foreign followers be bro mo me ti say ya no ya o wie ya ye mame wa e fa mame na me fa to wa
so see obi person onya e wo hono e Jobless KSA OPIO.
Okay, nice.
Fear and panic.
Nice.
Fear and panic.
Nice. But maybe I say just side now rapo kakra bi say ya no just them fa bin kan the way I see rapo no bro fu mo de inchira impucha ne ne ma se mu na.
I was being produced by me because I have my own studio at home.
Good.
I said my friend to soon the way production is it
yeah.
Man say idea anya say bia me ana me produce anyum no people beat ye bibia anti anyum no any
to peno dia post anyum na answer or no or dia post anyum na answer I guess I'll make me afame for some copyright issues be why ti o dia
okay
yeah anti or dia post anyum na but tell me kind of rap no ye hono mame o ya na afei o de nyomo no
say my idea my
yeah rap ni mame we are o de camera si wani me we are na what the way account link to the songs no be bia end no bet media account say be ani party just the short rap no bet me a follow link na copy nyom na nkese
me patch you mate me pa me sa
yeah timi that's why me that's na say word near then intura impucha as them sa word no say
Paura inchita ehu okrum
Paura inchita
Paura inchita e me baako che Paura no one say me ka say no Chinese would I utie bia na was some words be and put ayom not released in 2016 was some key words be and I say utia dey follow no ma when be one no people but put you on mu and I'm say we need followers until obi a man say when you get them preach to them June 4th and someone you man say think before you vote
okay
think before you vote, don't vote before you think. Now they're begging for your vote. They have seen that election is close. Think before you vote. Don't vote before you think. Now they're begging for your vote. They have seen that election is close. And you will say, Suneka or somebody, one love the Kubolo and then so I'm sick as man say, and also, and Timiama, so I'm the bomb with my dear. So, man say, to Chamano or Jimmy Sokama, but what need to the price now. Obusame no nyame anu mukreni na muodin but me catch say no problem but ama me chance anytime bia na you ready bia me person be the conscious music bia no obema me support man say nti ayade a man say no so one love Kobolo bless up me dana sepa
okay chare
happen we me fa ekwan so achia nkrofobia man say ekwan wo mu a ka me chia na se me dan nkrofobia se
yeah no problem feel free
so no and I'm say fire on them issue ni ba ye no guy back who Germany man say ono ya ko fan crofo ba ono smita na say asem ni si ya man say o follow me e frame me e busa me nu se na me chechire mu na chire wo no ma me chechire mu chire the same thing ono so ka say chale ya o kan nyina wo e no kure o fact na no ma wo nyina produce ampa and so Ghana na ye wo no man say they follow the numbers only numbers now they all can man say and sound good in anybody's ears so no problem and I man say DJ back also your friend DJ Wise and also ewo Kumasi and also me dana si big DJ Wise Charlie I salute that's pa man say also man say throughout to aboa me pa enye easy and DJ Kobe Wise who anya DJ Kobe we tell you we DJ Kobe on Ghana DJ Kobe we tell you how no mo bia enti enye on ho asa na make e be DJ be friend DJ Kobe or Ghana so enti senior rap and also me that's pa because any penny no kura on be trust on be pen kura nechi e hudi wu obi ho a man say be kata so shemu aso so enti chaka se nkoma dealer wa so na tete me e wo rap mu ansa na me be hu kabum ane aswase hene sisi ono so wo France chiao bebre aswase hene so e train me man say kabum so ni me ka opio a uka jobless case dey na do na yan wadi so ka say opio opio ana opio but say the din here jobless KSA enti bra pani be da obi bia ase and obi a opese hu no kure no e bi wo obega say wasem ya ye kan bia wa hye afre na ye firi bra pani klase e sama me kan no assess kohwehwe ne tie nyum no say de me kan me boa na wa kasa wa ma me say asem na boy ne be kan no boa say de me kan so ye no kure dia yem try say ye be support I said the vibes and I say and no kure no yem follow no kure no because I say and throw no matter what upa see no kure no matter what and draw man say and throw be di bia no and no kure pia man say and throw na be dey
okay
yeah you follow no kure and I yem fa ho say nipa no ni view sunti you can oboa opese odi perfume enye film na ni pepe ka me perfume ma di me machi almost 17 years ni still na man say me nya di obi pe me ye ade e be boa and I say be educate youth no and me ye
okay openi
man say
yeah okay yeah ba na wi no ho yeah de ba wi no nkofo so busa say why be he no bet ma follow handles ni why nti
me pacho man say on Facebook Jobless KSA man say me page you know Jobless KSA obi opeso hu nu kure ni bia no ko kra me post two videos atoto ho e fa me ni ko smoke issue ho betimi ahu ko Instagram so at Jobless KSA JAHBLGSS uko Instagram so sanetie man say opeso follow me out just Google Jobless KSA YouTube, Spotify, Amazon, man say baby a person who me bia no master wo dia ogogo abehu nemu a me dia go YouTube ene eyi rap ni wo dia mesra da ye ka pese me ka asem kakra bi eye ade ye afutu ma afefo se bi e pan wo hono mu a
no problem what I feel free
ya na etoda o se me nim se me nim tuni but utimi nya nwum bi nanka utimi se asomasi tunum we pan ke be ye me de ma se adekoti a me kasa asem se me tro nwum bi se ka me de be ma okonfo kwa de na kwa to ama me asanye se bi a me metu bi me se nwum no kwa de to story na e be ye de me frɛ nwum no ko gagai ko gagai no oso ko mu kura yusu ewo omu series nim ko gagai krom ha ma anyi na wafa wona esitre wona hwan ko ka defo ba aye ohini bia na ne badi ko gagai but nwum no me yese ka me ma konfo kwa de na nka me ye production me tua ka bibia na ka konfo kwa da to so o frɛ management na konfo kwa de management na the idea no mu kura obi omu fi mpo omu fi because enti ama pe de ahomefe eye menwum no want me to sound ento no te se kwa de ma me ame de nwum no kwa e gogo nwum fe nwum no ko gagai jobless KSC ko gagai but mu se nwum no ka ade to nwum no ma me a e ka nwum no be ye massive nwum no be ye de so but management na wo be frɛ wo no be di hu common me nim so mu send message no koma kwa de a me se nya ba ako me sa frɛ wo so menya anwum bi a me frɛ se me kwaji sika ma say ase obi odika frika na nkrofo frika na pro ko jinsika me idea say kwa de eto anum bi ta me ko jimisika frika e medna so me ba jimisika oto a na so no sa me ni manager ne kasa e me send ni beat no so ma say me nim say e bia ma say omu artist ni hu ana so omu hu ba ye nyina ye try say e be boa ma industry no it mu say asumasi wo ye nim wo ye be fa na say e say me underground ba me nya sa idea na me try me de ba ya mo so mo mpanifo ne sanka no dia obetimi agye kra o ya e no so boa e ma e improve nti brapani ye meka no edi no e jobless KSC which you follow me on all the social handles jobless KSC
me da say we mo mpa ye corona let me free mo ntema me ba land ni mo ama ya you know why me ba be your direct interview was studio me da say why nti my fancy say
and tiefo a mutie no so no ya me ishra
yeah boys ni be kura churo say ebinum so
mother aces me ra
okay me da say jobless JSK CSK ya nti wahu ade eba na wotie mu bise ya wotumi hu ba bia no kra ne da enchira o se boy ni enchira impitao se enchiro chale on se we na me dia ba o on se kwa smoke the way na on ne shatter de na o de yawo ka de no ebet me abase ebia se de na kwa smoke odwene no ebia na enya ne de na shatter fire on se we so de yawo kan so ofre ya apo no mo afi no ebet me abase ebia na kwa smoke wo ye ne dada na enya nyum we nyum but wo hu abrabon no se de esitie abrabon wo hu de we life na esitie o dream se wachi clean no enti o be pushi boni ebia boni a odwin so obi aye ho no the same way na obi so gina wachi ono so bo opunu nti ya ade na ya ma ntoboase amamu ne ya se be kon all out a ho ya emwa ko bibia obia e at fault obia so ehia solutions but the way obesi go about ade no the uvana ebe chire gidigidi na na say be di atem na eyi nipa na ebe odidi na atem no ono so of feelings a lesson pa na me pesa me boga ne rap bi my ade bi Chira me kran ka me na me ma take the name Chira Impitao no I name I me ba me has met me abone nyom bia ma yatia that be life for you. The smoke the way I don't buy and ye bebre say no. You see say this guy to get case, but because you not get anybody, make the person help permanently. Why then want to me anya grande and person me born even my tea. These things all be part of life. tie rap we. The rap or yeah back when tie we na me find you. Make you listen to this rap, make we take finish.
Get West up, will it be I want to meet Chili BM.
Tie we.
God bless. Yeah. No man rules forever, no throne of time. He refuse to obey, cannot command. Great men have big heart. But when you swear, join trust, so we are, every dog is a lion and his own gate. West up, will it be I want to meet Chili BM. Nobody give a fuck about your fucking problems. You fucking lack patience, do you? Joe, I'm in Semenyame. I'm a Ghanaian, I'm a Gashian, you who papane. Who come and him, I feel what kind of meal to capri me and ya or them for yes, I can my pet, don't pill. Nemo Nampa, not when you miss a Yintia, see a check, but remember, you was on the money answer. Means some no air scary, and I want some. I'm selling fire in the hell. Start me a bit, Kinsakti, timing you good, no upbeat, grab beat on my wrist, boy. I'm sipping, screaming, eagle, dreaming task for all my homies. Jobless KSA, it's my name. It's my name.
Talent no de ewo ho ba said o kan no wa anya push na o se a 70 no frɛ obi a we call and the dusty the call mo no na ya na shata wale kan no o frɛ o nyina but o de ma ne nyom ba ko bi te said the say me pese me call in interview no na hit it then they shata bundle a day nobody beats the guy. Me now I do collections of things where I do my voiceover for inside. A hit no, they are doing my fair that things go pull out the interview and the interview they do and I feel like they jab them them things. That be Ghana for you. Ghana for you. Oh yes, yes, I know who say what be hit pe. Na afe ho na person offer chile be tune fast. But opportunity ne the guys say oh to me spot who say nipa way you get case, you get talent, you get this, then you push am. Chile be ya would do at least so bet me I take credit. Don't say you say oh I didn't no ya boan ya say be or more do strong when you concentrate. You will help underground all them things. Also, a friend will be I mention all the names. He mention all any ideal in Kaveka say be a 70 no akoda na be a pushy. But di on Ghana will be a or grounds or social media be a or any interview or so or the 75 but they no be some. That be the Ghana we did. You know, shut down be or banner or fire or more or very passionate or the fire or more. On the quack smoke as 7 years old, a beer quack smoke be right by the way you approach the thing. One that says so be so bad, maybe himself quack smoke what interview and any day. It be that be have live day. The way you day way the figure say you there your back be perfect, no. So nobody for offend you for forward, no. The same way somebody today your back to they see you say it will be a problem for in front. So how do we solve it? You need to be matured in your dealings. Because me as a day like this, if I'm not gonna be happy if somebody just go sit somewhere and want talk trash to me like that. If provided a day ahead, I'm not gonna be happy. Well, as I not make happy, I go respond. Well, maybe the response to go feel lead to something. That be how the life day. Case in a woo, but once my cover interview now, just to help us understand your dream, baby and your mother. My main video no ensure. Intija bless. I pray if the sickness finish the corona, I go to Italy there. I go find time going there. I know the some interviews maybe na come. Interview na na because what friendly panel with my internet ni baba kono de we with my editing e come about my to trap baby pass ni be the assisting. Na I very interesting. Because we be a unicatic internet ne cutting nyina obstruct the thing. But unya nipa no one on one amoye we abakọ edit. No way parts na mana yeah it will be tension with that thing be very organized and formal. I will go in there. And I'm actually some of the program be ba. Ye bisa kese for. Them big men then did at Ghana the way they don't do them responsibilities. No made that program neighbor. Still now they organize things. Near my very sensitive war system ni mono. Na me dia ba near busa kese for. So I will end this video for here.